What's up, YouTube? This is your boy, Bullz. First episode. Um, Bullz is mainly going to be a cryptocurrency, digital asset, educational site. Site is mainly going to be geared to people who are new to the space. Uh, they want to understand certain lingo, technology, concepts. So, I'll be breaking down some of those as best as I can. We'll be going to, of course, the history of Bitcoin, why it was formed, the founder. We'll be talking about the blockchain, the underlying technology. Uh, we'll be talking about, of course, the different coins. You have over 1,000 different coins that are offering different services other than a payment rail, such as Bitcoin. You have other coins that are going to be offering services like smart contracts with Ethereum. So, each coin kind of offers a different thing. We'll be getting into exchanges where you can actually obtain the digital currency or assets you might be interested in. The deeper that I got into cryptocurrency and started going down that rabbit hole, man, it brought me out on the other side to traditional investing. So we'll be, talking a little bit about that. I have me a little brokerage account. I have a few positions, S&P 500. Um, I got some tech stocks. So just want to give you a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. Uh, Cryptocurrency and traditional investings are very volatile and very risky. So, whatever decisions you make on your own. They have a jargon that they use in the cryptocurrency space called DYOR. Do your own research. Even though you might hear me talk about some things, you might hear some other cats here on YouTube and different resources, whether it be Bloomberg or CNBC or the Market Watch. Whatever it is, do your own research. Don't take what you hear from, us talking heads as truth. You have to, get your hands dirty and, do some research yourself. You might take a little bit of what I know, but you might not agree with everything. You might only agree with 25%, but you have a different route about going about your business. And that's fine. And that's the key factor. But yeah, I'm here in the Northern California, the San Francisco Bay Area. It's a hub for cryptocurrency companies, startups. For instance, Coinbase is located here in San Francisco. That's one of the main exchanges that I'll be discussing. Where, if you want to jump in, that's going to be, one of the areas you can do so. But of course, you can get in the game also by certain apps. Like I have what they call a Robinhood app, which is an investing app. Lets you get into the traditional stock game. If you want to start that way without having a brokerage account. Good thing about Robinhood, they also offer some cryptocurrency. They have some Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. And I don't think they offer any other coin at this point, but I'm sure they're going to be expanding. Also, the company Square and the Square Cash App. Uh, I really love the company. Jack Dorsey's really sharp. He owns Square. He owns Twitter. So he's a really sharp cat that I like to follow and listen to. So, mainly the site is going to be geared for people who are new to the space. They're trying to get some of the basic concepts and understanding of the cryptocurrency landscape. I hope you'll find the channel enjoyable and you're going to get something out of it. I'm going to try to give you the wealth of my knowledge. I haven't been in the space that long. I'm what they call a December boy, and I don't have a problem telling you that. Mainly what a December boy is, I jumped in to the crypto game in December of 2017 when Bitcoin was blowing up. It was all the rage. People were hearing about it, and everybody was jumping in. And they have another jargon that we use in the space. It's called FOMO. FOMO means fear of missing out. So I was one of those. I didn't want to miss out on this train. I jumped in. I think I jumped in when Bitcoin is at about $15,000. Like, oh, I'm gonna get some of this. And the next thing you know, it all came crashing down in December. And then in 2018, the space went into an area that they call the crypto winter. Bitcoin went down and down and down. I think it went downwards, upwards to about maybe 5,000. I'll have to double check that. But it was really rough. But I love the tech. I love the concept. And something told me to just stick it out and keep studying and keep learning. And so that's basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to give you some of the things that I have learned, some of the missteps that I have taken, and in order to help you navigate this space, because it is very volatile, it's very risky. So one of my pieces of advice to you is whether it's investing in digital assets or traditional stock market, never invest more than you can afford to lose. You have to be very smart. Even though I suggest that digital assets be a small portion of your portfolio, just try to be smart and educate yourself before you start making trades and different moves. Don't move so fast. Take your time here. So mainly that's what the channel is gonna be about. I'll try to stay as consistent as possible. Try to come on here every couple of days or so and start breaking down some concepts. Of course, if you like what you hear, hit the thumbs up, subscribe. I'm trying to build a channel. I'm just getting started. And in closing, I just want to ask you, do you really want to run with the Bullz? Stay tuned.